My name is Pritesh Patel and I am the Technical Director at IMI Machine Tools Private Limited. We are a group of companies which started in 1969 by my grandfather, which includes Tools and Appliances Corporation and Inmec Industrial Corporation. In all, our journey with LMW started in the year 2017, where we bought a couple of machines, and since then it has been growing. So the total of machines that we have in all our group companies, the total number is like 14 machines that we currently have, which consist of 8 turning machines, 2 Turnmill centers and 4 VMC, the VMC machines, right? Overall, the performance of the machines have been up to the mark so far. There has been no downtime faced by us. We are very happy with the way we are manufacturing our products. And earlier we used to have different set of machines, but after getting introduced to LMW, it has been a complete different experience for us, which has been even the downtime of the machine, the service that we get from the LMW people here is excellent. They come within a day, not more than that. Otherwise, apart from that, I have not even remembered having any downtime at our factory with the LMWs. The telecall support is also very nice, which helps, if there is any problem, which helps to solve the issues and matters on call. So after, for example, getting our Turnmill centers, we've reduced a lot of our cycle times, and we finished the job, almost all the operations in the machine. So immediately after getting the component out of the machine, it goes for other processes, which also reduces the cycle time of our manufacturing of the component. Another advantage with LMW is that their rigidity of the machine is very nice, which helps. In some cases, we've even done hard part turning, where we used to grind those products. We didn't need the accuracy, but the grinding was just the surface finish, which is still possible, which was possible with the LMWs that we got. And it has saved us a lot of considerable amount of time in that area. So looking into all these advantages after getting the LMW machines, we every year, or almost since 2017, we've kept on adding our new machines from LMW, and in future, as per the growth requirement, we will keep adding new LMWs to our shop floors.